So I was looking to do a video, and it seems like YouTube comes out with a bunch of things that suggests what people are actually looking up. And to my surprise, one of the videos that no one's really covered is dealing with Allstar Link, and also its derivatives from Allstar Link, such as GMRS Hub and like the X GMRS Live. So what I'm going to do basically in this video is I'm going to show you a few things. I think we're going to start with, I'm going to show you how to connect to a node. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to disconnect. And I'm going to show you some other DTMF commands that you can do using a handset with, usually you need a keypad, or if you have a microphone with a push button, with a star. You're going to need a star key. That's really important. But I'm going to show you just basically how to get to a node. And remember that when we speak nodes, like I've made a short about this, when we speak about nodes, it's a fancy way of saying phone. So when you hear the word node, think phone. So we're going to figure out from a node, we're going to dial our phone node to another phone node. So it's actually very simple, and you can pretty much write down everything that needs to be done. It's not hard at all. Actually here in the office, and I figured this is a good spot to do it because my node system is literally right over there behind me, and I have this radio right here, which you can hear what's going on while I'm doing it. So remember that the Allstar system is basically asterisk, which is an old phone system. So there's really two things that you need to know. So you need to know where you want to connect, which is I'm going to show you how to connect to 28-1000, which is the Louisiana hub. This isn't Allstar. I just got done doing a GMRS node, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So if we want to connect to 28-1000, what you're going to do is so that means that to connect, we're going to hit *2, then the node number. It's kind of like when you hit, *69 on your phone. Your phone starts listening. Remember, this is old phone software. So when you hit *2, the phone wakes up and says, okay, where do you want to connect to? And that's when you type in to 1000. But first I'm going to disconnect because I think I'm actually connected. If you're unsure, always disconnect first. So I'm going to try to get you. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit this push to talk button, and you can use your keypads. Most keypads have a star. So I'm going to first disconnect. So I'm going to hit *3, and I'm connected in a 28-1000. So I'm going to press the push to talk. $20 000 and let off. So that'll disconnect you. Now to connect, we're going to do *2 and then the node that we want to go to. So I'm going to hit push to talk, *2 28 1000. And you heard that? How it just connected? It went dee. I connected. I'm going to show you some other really cool stuff, but you'll go to lesson 2. Let me fold this piece of paper over. And that's all you have to do. Don't be scared to press that push to talk button. Here's some really good tips that even a lot of people don't know. So say you just like, my node's acting funky. I want to reboot the node. Say you got it in your car. You have the Allstar system in your car, right? Say you can't reach it or whatever. and you want to restart it for whatever reason, maybe your cellular is not connecting to the modem, you hit star 910. So I'm going to push to talk. I'm going to hit star 910.
The system will restart in 10 seconds.
And there you go. See, so it's going to reboot. And if you star 911, that's going to completely stop the system. So if, say, you were getting out the car and you didn't want to open the trunk up and you wanted to disconnect, you could hit star 911 and that would shut your Pi off and disconnect you, to where you'd have to manually, I don't know if you have a flip switch in there or what have you, but you'd actually have to repower on the Raspberry Pi. You'll see it just came back on. So I'm not going to do star 911 because then that would be goofy. So I want, it's going to give me my IP address.
192.168.0.8.
Okay, so now if I want to connect in, I hit push to talk. Then I'm going to hit star 2. I just woke the phone up. 2810000 and on key.
Node 2810000 connected to node 2810046.
And it's that easy. Any questions or comments, drop them below. And I do appreciate everybody. Thank you for posting something in there. If you have any questions, I mean anything, I love hearing from you guys. Just drop something in there. It does not bother me one bit, and it actually gives me video ideas. So if you have anything you want to see, put it down there. And also, while you're in there, put down if you do have any experience with Allstar. And if you do have experience with Allstar, was it with GMRS, like GMRS Live, GMRS Hub, or was it full-fledged Allstar? Anyway, this is KJ5HLO KURVY, and thank you for tuning in.